Is your Mazda CX-3 smart key not working, specifically for 2016-2019 models? The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. Symptoms include unresponsive lock-unlock buttons and the car failing to recognize the key. Note that, according to a 2024 AAA survey, 15% of keyless entry issues in compact SUVs stem from dead batteries, with Mazda CX-3 ranking in the top 5. Before you head to the dealership and pay $150 to $250, a simple DIY battery replacement is a cost-effective solution, typically costing just $5 for the battery. This fix has a 90% success rate. Remember to always use a high-quality CR2032 battery and work in a dry area. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Carefully pry open the key fob. The two halves snap together. Next, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation, the positive plus side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Finally, reassemble the key fob. Test the key by locking and unlocking your car. If it still doesn't work, there may be a receiver module issue in the car, requiring dealer service. If the key case clip breaks, expect a small repair fee at a locksmith, around $20. This process typically takes 5 to 10 minutes, saving you significant costs and downtime.